So the great thing about this whiteboard is you can put these YouTube videos inside the actual whiteboard. So when we're working on a problem and I'm going to explain something to you, I can record that bit of my explanation, then stick the YouTube video into the whiteboard itself, and you can just press play and use it there. Now it's a huge whiteboard, so you can zoom out, keep zooming out, and go all over the place, and we can write lots of different lessons on here. Um, this little bit here that I've put on everybody's whiteboard, it means that it just sends you a few useful links. So that's my website, that's my phone number. You can that's my email, that's my phone number. You can click on this to go to my website. So all these little things have links in the top right corner. So that will take you to my website. That will take you to something that you can, like a database that you can check, that you can find me on. And this is my YouTube page. This is my Twitter page, YouTube channel. Thank you. And this is my Twitter page, and these are my Google reviews, Facebook reviews, and Trustpilot reviews. And you can go over here to leave anonymous feedback. So if there's anything you wanted to give me, any feedback you want to give me on the lesson, then you can click on that. If you go here, this will take you to my calendar and booking page, so you can see if you want to change any lessons or book any more lessons, then you can click on that. This bit here currently doesn't have
Miro.
Yes, this thing is called Miro. I think it's pronounced Miro, but I'll send you a link in a moment to it. In fact, you can have a link to. So basically, because I've got a paid account, I can make many different websites. Many different whiteboards, and then I can share them with you. And once I've shared it with you, then you can you can write on it the same as me, and there are lots of different really cool tools that you can use on them, which will help us to do everything in one place. If you remember, before we had an active learning tool, which I've actually made some videos about here. You can click there. That will be a sequence of videos, and if you click on here, once I add the link, then that will take you to your active learning tool, and this one will take you to your online folder. So everybody will have an online folder, everybody will have an active learning tool, and by clicking on these links, that will take you to that tool. So let me just stop that video.